What's up everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are so proud of you guys because we are on day 35, the halfway point of this beginning 5K program. Congratulations everybody. You guys are doing fantastic. We're so proud of you. Let's move it on. All right, today is a rest day, but Coach Robin has something important to say. It's always important to take these tips and to incorporate them into your running repertoire, and that way you'll be a much better runner. And actually, what's important about that is so that you could stay as injury-free as possible, and you could do this as best as possible. So, without further ado, I'm handing it off to Robin.
Hey guys, it's Sunday and you guys had a terrific week of working out and we earned our rest day. I know I did and I'm sure you did too. So that's what I am going to do today. I'm going to kick off my shoes and I am going to just relax here with a nice book. Actually, I'm reading a book called Future Boards. This is to help me put a really good future board is like a vision board, just bigger. So I am about to, halfway through this book, and I'm about to print out pictures of my future board. And I'm really excited about that. I have a vision of what I want, and putting it on a board is going to help me get there. You guys might want to do that too. Maybe you could put a big 5K sign up on your future board. And that would be a really fun thing to do. So I am going to kick back here and I'm going to start reading and relaxing, and I will be ready for Monday. I will put this coming week's workout in the comments below so you have an idea of what's going on. Again, remember it's going to be a bump up week, and I will see you Monday. Have a great Sunday, guys.
Once again, I want to say congratulations. You guys should go out, party in the streets, have some fun. You know, you are doing fantastic. Just make sure that you're ready for Monday, tomorrow, because day 36 is upon us. It's a workout day, so get ready, and we'll see you tomorrow. See you, everybody. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.